G'day, absolute flash fest going on, and it's insane. It's just continuous. Like, I don't think the phone's actually picking up every single flash, but it's like strobe lights. I've already done a 5-minute one, but I couldn't resist but do another one because this is just incredible. It's not every day, in October especially, that you get this kind of activity in a storm. It's just insane. Absolutely insane. And it's coming my way, so hopefully I'll get some good bolts out of it too, because at the moment everything's just internal, embedded. But looking at the radar, there was a few bolts come out of front of it, but unfortunately I've got all these trees in the way, so I can't see down the bottom. Oh, that was nice. Hopefully the camera caught that. Bit of a crawler went across the sky. Don't know if you hear me stamping or slapping myself, as I would have said in the last video. Oh, beautiful. I'm getting eaten alive by mozzies. Absolutely smashed. But this is just too good to miss. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. I'll tell you what, if this holds this intensity when it comes over, there's going to be a few underwear changes during this, I think. But regardless, seeing it from here is quite good enough. Even if it doesn't actually make it, but looks like it's coming across. I might have to turn the ISO down in a minute. It's getting a bit close and everything's getting a bit bright. Good thing I can do it during this recording. Alright, let's see what happens there. Still picking plenty up. Oh. God damn. This is incredible. So it's not picking every flash up now. So from the point of view, it probably does look like it's a little less flashy, but this is just so when there's any bolts in the frame, they don't just blind out the camera. As it gets closer, I'll have to drop the ISO a bit more, but at the moment it seems to be okay. If this was earlier in the evening, I definitely would have live streamed this. But, what the hell was that? Bloody toad. Starting to see what might be the shelf cloud. It's hard to tell in the dark, even with all this bloody light going on. Oh, beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Gotta shut off for now because I guess there's only so much flashing you can watch. Me, I could watch this all night. And I'm sure other weather nerds could as well, but I may do another video later. Bloody toad throat scared me again. I may do another video later, but we'll see. See how tired I get. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. And anyone that's still waiting for a storm, now it's storm season. I hope this kind of, oh beautiful, I hope this kind of filled in that lull that you're sensing, or made you want to come and punch me in the face because you want what? Hell, I don't know if I got that one. I don't think I did. Shit. There was a nice bolt just come out to the side, but I think it was out of frame. Anyway, as I was saying, either fill in the lull you've got, or want to punch me because I'm witnessing this beautiful, beautiful show of nature. Anyway, this may or may not be the last video, but if it is, good night. If it's not, then I'll see you in the next one.